What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2005 Kawasaki Ninja 250. This is the older body style, guys. In my personal opinion, the new body style looks so much better. Tires are decent. They do have a little bit of, they're kind of old. I'd probably maybe ride with them for one more season. Scuff right here on the plastic. It's a 250, guys. It kind of is what it is. It's going to be super cheap. It has a slight indent, if you can see right there on the tank. It's not a big deal. You will not keep this bike the rest of your life. I don't know, maybe you will. Maybe I'm 100% wrong, but I have still yet to run into that person. Scuff right there on the front fender. Scuff right there. You got a little slight crack in the fairing right there. Some scuffs on that rear exhaust, some scuffs right there. We got a slight indent on this side of the tank as well. 4,686 miles on it. Let's fire it up. This bike runs great. Like I said, 2005 Kawasaki Ninja 250. It's gonna be a beginner bike, guys. It's super cheap. But let me know if it's something you're interested in, guys. Thanks a ton for watching.